This conference will now be recorded.
Good afternoon, students. Am I audible? Am I audible for you? Yeah, thanks for your response. And also PPT is visible for you? Yeah, thanks for your response. Okay. I think we almost completed unit number 1, isn't it? So unit number 1 on the minimization techniques and the logic gates, isn't it? So I think we completed all the topics in the unit number 1. And unit number 2, the heading வந்து unit number 2 ஓட heading வந்து combinational circuits. ஓகேவா, unit number 2 வந்து combinational circuits. So in that, for your internal test 1, ஓகேவா, you are having the syllabus up to BCD adder. ஓகேவா, so syllabus for your internal test is unit number 1. ஓகேவா, unit number entire unit number 1 and unit number 2 ல வந்து up to BCD adder. Okay, BCD adder varaikkum you are having the portion for your internal test. Okay, so digital system design internal test vandu Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday vandu you are having digital system design CAA 1. Okay, so please note down unit 2 la vandu up to BCD adder. Okay, BCD adder varaikkum vandu ungalku portion irukku. Okay. In unit number 2, okay, so already we have completed these topics, isn't it? Half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor. Okay, isn't it? I think we studied and also we have implemented these concepts in the laboratory. Okay, in lab class. The same thing you are having in the theory part, isn't it? Okay, so நம்ம lab class என்ன பார்த்தோமோ the same thing you are having in the theory. So we completed half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor. So we want to cover design procedure. Okay, so we want to cover design procedure. So I think we completed half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor. Okay, so whatever the thing, what are the concept we studied in the lab class, same thing in your theory also. Okay, so no need to repeat the same things. Okay, so next we want to cover parallel binary adder, parallel binary subtractor and BCD adder. So these things we want to cover for your internal test 1. Okay, so today I'm going to give you a intro about unit number 2, what is combinational circuits and why we are going for combinational circuit. Then I'm going to give you brief idea about the design procedure. Okay, next I'm trying to cover parallel binary adder and parallel binary subtractor. Okay, so BCD adder, I'm going to cover the BCD adder in the next class. It may be Monday. Okay, so Monday when the BCD adder we can cover. Fine, have you all noted? Reply through chat. Have you all noted your test portion? Yeah, thanks for your response. So up to BCD adder in unit number 2, up to BCD adder. Okay, so today we are going to see what is combinational circuit and the overview of combinational circuit. Okay, next design procedure. Next one the parallel binary adder and the parallel binary subtractor. So these topics I am going to cover today's class. Okay, so tomorrow, I mean maybe Monday I am going to cover BCD adder. Okay, so other test portion. So remaining the test. Okay, CAA 2. So hope you all noted. Okay, before entering into unit number 2, there is some important topics are there in your unit number 1. Okay, wow. So once if you complete these things, then we can move into unit number 2. Okay, wow. So this is the unit number 1 or a continuation. So I will try to complete this. Then we can move into unit number 2. Okay, wow. So take down implementation of logic functions using gates. Take down the heading in your notebook. Hope all of you having your separate notebook for DST subject. Okay, wow. So take down the heading. This is unit number 1 or a continuation. Okay, wow. This is not unit number 2. This is the continuation of your unit number 1. Okay, wow. After completing this topic, we can move into unit number 2. Okay, wow. So take down the heading implementation of logic functions using gates. Take down the heading implementation of logic gates using gates. Under that, take down the heading universal gates. Take down universal gates. This is very important. This is very important for your exam point of view. Okay, wow. This is very important. Universal gates. Take down the subheading universal gates. So below that, the NAND NOR gates are known as universal gates. Please note down, this is very important. The NAND and NOR gates are known as universal gates. NAND gate or NOR gate will be called as universal gates because you can create, okay, well, you can create or you can design any logic functions with the help of NAND gate or NOR gate. That's why it is called as universal gate. Okay, well, I think you are having different basic gates, isn't it? So you are having a NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. You are having different logic gates are there. Okay, well, so you can design or you can create any basic gates with the help of NAND gate or NOR gate. Okay, wow. So NAND gate or the NOR gate mulima, you can create any basic gate. It may be OR gate, AND gate, okay, wow, XOR gate, XNOR gate, எந்த gate வேணாலும் generate பண்ணலாம், எந்த gate வேணாலும் design பண்ணலாம். Okay, wow. That's why it is called universal gates. NAND gate or NOR gate, it is called universal gates. Okay, wow. This is very important in exam point of view, and also if you go for any interview or viva, they will be asking what is universal gate, why it is called. Okay, wow. So NAND gate and NOR gate are called universal gate because you can create any basic gates by using NAND or NOR. Okay, wow. Hope you all noted. This is what the symbol of your NAND gate. Okay, wow. So first I'm going to cover NAND gate. Okay, wow. So NAND gate which I'm going to design different basic gates. Okay, wow. Then we can move into NOR gate. Okay, wow. So first NAND gate மூலமா எப்படி வந்து basic gates வந்து create பண்றது அப்படிங்கிறது பார்க்கலாம். After that we can move into NOR gate. Okay, wow. Fine. So hope you all know this is what the symbol of your NAND gate. Okay, wow. A and B are your input. This is the symbol of your NAND gate, isn't it? So AND gate மாதிரியே தான் இருக்கும், but you will be having bubble. Okay, ஒரு bubble இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா this is called NAND gate. Okay, wow. Same AND gate ஓட same symbol. So you are having two inputs, but output section la பாத்தீங்கன்னா you are having one bubble. Okay, ஒரு bubble இருந்துச்சுன்னா that will be called NAND gate. Okay, wow. So output equation in algebraic equation A dot B the whole bar. This is what the algebraic expression of your NAND gate. Okay, wow. So these things you all know. So now we are going to see how to create different basic gates with the help of NAND gate. ஓகேவா ஸோ NAND கேட் யூஸ் பண்ணி எப்படி வந்து டிஃபரெண்ட் கேட்ஸ் வந்து ஜென்ரேட் பண்றது அப்படிங்கறத பார்க்கலாம் ஓகேவா ஸோ டேக் டவுன் தி ஹெட்டிங் this is very important for your exam point of view ஓகேவா ஸோ டேக் டவுன் தி ஹெட்டிங் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹெட்டிங் not gate take down the first heading not gate function using NAND gate okay so not gate oda function we are going to design by using NAND gate okay so NAND gate மூலமா நம்ம எப்படி ஒரு not gate oda function achieve பண்றது அப்படிங்கறது பார்க்கலாம் okay so take down the heading not gate function using NAND gate so you all know this is what the symbol of your not gate okay so X is your input, X bar is your output. So this is what the symbol of your NOT gate. I think you all know. Okay, we are studied in the theory and also in the laboratory class. So meaning that not gate function if you are giving X, okay, the input is X அப்படினா output வந்து X bar. Okay, so input X அப்படினா output வந்து X bar. The complemented. Okay, complement output will be your NOT gate. Okay, the same thing we want to achieve by using only NAND gate. Okay so this is what the implementation okay this is what the implementation of your NAND gate okay so here X is your input okay so this is your 2 input NAND gate okay so என்ன பண்றேன் 2 inputs வந்து நான் ஷார்ட் பண்ணிறேன் okay ஷார்ட் பண்ணி okay I am giving input X கொடுத்த அவுட்புட்ல என்ன இருக்கும் so I think you all know if you give A and B what is your output A dot B the whole bar. This is what the output of NAND gate. So here what I'm giving X. Okay, X கொடுத்த output என்ன இருக்கும் X dot X the whole bar. This is what the output of your NAND gate. Okay, so this can be rewritten X dot X bar அப்படினா that will be rewritten as X bar plus X bar. So how I am writing? I think you all know De Morgan's law. We studied in your unit number 1. Okay, so we know that X dot X the whole bar abdina this can be rewritten as X bar plus X bar by using De Morgan's law okay so X dot X whole bar will be rewritten as X bar plus X bar okay so X bar plus X bar nothing but X bar okay in boolean la வந்து X bar plus X bar abdina it is nothing but X bar okay so now we got the NOT gate function isn't it we are giving X as input your NAND gate okay finally we obtained X bar okay so this is how NOT gate function using NAND gate okay so we achieved NOT gate function using NAND gate okay so can you able to understand reply through chat can you able to understand NOT gate function using NAND gate yeah thanks for your response this is very simple okay just listen carefully I will give you the document okay just listen okay I will give you the document later you can refer so next so now we completed NOT gate function using NAND gate okay so students next we are going to see another basic gate okay another basic gate and AND gate okay AND gate function using NAND gate சரியா so I think you all know this is what the symbol of your AND gate A and B are your input okay this is what the symbol and your algebraic expression in y equal to A dot B so this is what the algebraic expression of your AND gate okay so the same thing we are going to achieve by using NOT gate instead of AND gate I am going to use NAND gate okay so this is what the implementation listen okay so I am giving A and B as the input to NAND gate what will be the output A and B kudutha A dot B the whole bar okay I will be getting A dot B the whole bar but actually I need A dot B okay I don't want A dot B the whole bar isn't it so what we want to do we want to give again the same output okay we want to give it to another NAND gate okay another NAND gate கொடுத்து என்ன ஆகும் this A dot B the whole bar என்ன பண்றேன் so So the two inputs வந்து ஷார்ட் பண்ணிடுறேன். ஓகேவா, ஷார்ட் பண்ணிட்டு ஐ எம் கிவிங் திஸ் அவுட்புட் a dot b whole bar to NAND gate. ஓகேவா, NAND gate கொடுத்து என்ன ஆகும், I will be getting y equal to a dot b the whole bar, the actual output. இந்த NAND gate கொடுக்கும்போது I will get another one bar. ஓகேவா, so actual output என்ன, I mean actual input to the NAND gate என்ன, a dot b the whole bar. ஓகேவா, if I give this input to NAND gate, what I will get, y equal to a dot b whole bar, again one bar. Okay, another one bar, because this bar is the reason for using this another one NAND gate. Okay, okay, so we all know a double bar equal to a. Okay, so we all know a double bar equal to a. So if you apply the basic law in this expression, capital Y equal to a dot b double bar என்ன ஆயிரும், double bar வந்து cancel ஆயிரும். ஓகேவா, double bar இருந்தா cancel ஆயிட்டு, so you will get ab. ஓகேவா, double bar வந்து it will get cancel because you know a double bar equal to a. If you apply this formula here, a dot b double bar will be ab. ஓகேவா, so now we got the output of AND gate. ஓகேவா, now we got the output of AND gate. ஓகேவா, y equal to a into b. Okay, the same output we achieved by using NAND gate. Okay, we achieved the algebraic expression of AND gate. Okay, by using in NAND gate. Okay, so நீங்க வந்து AND gate logic achieve பண்ணனும்னா at least you need two NAND gate. Okay, AND gate ஓட output நீங்க achieve பண்ணனும் அப்படினா only using NAND gate அப்படினா at least you need how many NAND gates? You need two NAND gates. Please keep in mind, maybe in MCQ type questions you will get these kind of questions. Okay, so how many NAND gates will require to obtain AND gate? Okay, it is two. Okay, it requires two NAND gate to achieve AND gate algebraic expression. So this is what AND gate function using NAND gate. So have you all understood? Can you able to follow? Reply through chat. So up to now it's clear for you. Yeah, thanks for your response. Next I'm going for OR gate function using NAND gate. Okay, OR gate function using NAND gate. So I think you all know this is what the symbol of OR gate. Okay, so a and b are your input. Algebraic expression in OR gate ke y equal to a plus b. This is what the algebraic expression of your OR gate. So I want to achieve the same algebraic expression by using NAND gate. Okay, I want to get the same expression y equal to a plus b by using only NAND gate. Okay, only NAND gate. Okay, fine. So first I'm taking a and b are in my input. Okay, so I'm shorting my two inputs. Short panni I'm giving input a, okay, to my NAND gate. What I will get, if you give a, your output will be a bar. Okay, the second NAND gate I'm shorting two terminals. Okay, I'm giving input b, so NAND gate output in b bar. Okay, then I'm giving these two inputs to my another third NAND gate. Okay, so what I will get, y equal to a dot b. This is actual inputs. Okay, actual inputs this NAND gate and then y equal to a bar into b bar. Due to this another AND gate, you are getting another one common bar. Okay, so you'll be getting y equal to a bar b bar the whole bar. So this can be rewritten, okay, as I think you all know, we know that a dot b whole bar equal to a bar plus b bar by using De Morgan's law. Okay, a dot b whole bar abdina, this can be rewritten as a bar plus b bar. Okay, if you apply the same concept here, okay, apply panning, now what you will get, a bar b bar the whole bar and a double bar plus b double bar. Okay, a double bar plus b double bar. Okay, so we studied a double bar equal to a. Up in the double bar will get cancel, so you will get a plus b. Okay, you will get a plus b. So now we achieved the algebraic expression of your OR gate, isn't it? So now we got the algebraic expression of OR gate by using only NAND gates. Okay, only NAND gates. Okay wa, fine. So here we need 3 NAND gates. Okay wa, we need at least 3 NAND gates to achieve or to obtain the algebraic expression of OR gate. Okay wa, OR gate oda algebraic expression only NAND gate மூலமா achieve பண்ணனும்னா at least you required 3 NAND gates. Okay, please keep in mind you required 3 NAND gates. Okay wa, because these type of questions will ask in the MCQ pattern. Okay wa, so MCQ la வந்து இந்த மாதிரி questions வந்து கண்டிப்பா கேட்கலாம். So please keep in mind. Have you understood up to this? Shall I go for the next? Have you all understood up to this? Reply through chat. Have you all understood up to now? Yeah, thanks for your response. So we completed up to OR gate. So now we are moving into NOR gate. Okay, so now we are moving into NOR gate. So NOR gate, this is what the symbol of your NOR gate. I think you all studied. Okay, A and B are your input. Algebraic expression in an OR gate or algebraic expression y equal to a plus b the whole bar. Okay, a plus b the whole bar. Okay. So anyone unmute and tell me what is the change we want to make this circuit to get NOR gate function? Anyone unmute and tell me what is the change we want to make this circuit? Okay, only we want to do only one change. Okay, or only we want to do one correction or one change to obtain NOR gate function. So what is the change or what is the modification we want to do this circuit to obtain NOR gate? Anyone? So in the circuit la enna changes pannana? Okay va, enna oru change panna we can get NOR gate function. Anyone unmute and tell me? So here by using 3 NAND gate we are getting a plus b, but in NOR gate, okay wow, this is for OR gate. Okay, this is for OR gate. So in NOR gate, okay wow, we need a plus b the whole bar. Okay wow, so just to compare, okay wow, so NOR gate OR gate we are using 3 NAND gate. Okay wow, we got the output. NOR gate actually என்ன algebraic expression a plus b the whole bar. Okay, இங்க bar இல்ல, இங்க bar இருக்கு. Okay வா, so என்ன changes இதுல பண்ணுனா we can get the NOR gate expression. For NAND gate, okay, where we want to add the NAND gate, where we want to add, anyone unmute and tell me? Where we want to add? So you want to add another one NAND gate in the output section, isn't it? So this is very similar to the previous implementation, isn't it? So இந்த பாருங்க, so இந்த implementationம் ஓகேவா OR gate using NAND gateம், so இந்த implementationம் same. ஓகேவா, so you got a plus b. okay, இதுல பாருங்க you got a plus b, but we need என்ன a plus b whole bar. NOR gate அப்படின்னா a plus b whole bar. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும், you want to give your output to again one NAND gate. ஓகேவா, again ஒரு NAND gate கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா what you will get, y equal to a plus b whole bar. ஓகேவா, the same OR gate ஓட same அதே diagram. ஓகேவா, but OR gate க்கு you will be getting a plus b. ஓகேவா, but in NOR gate, ஓகேவா, NOR gate implementation ல பாருங்க NOR gate function a plus b whole bar. I mean we need this bar. ஓகேவா, இந்த bar வேணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக, this complement வேணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக என்ன பண்ணனும், இந்த சர்க்யூட்லயே ஓகேவா, இந்த சர்க்யூட்லயே you want to add, okay, you want to add one more NAND gate in the output section. Okay va, then what you will get, so a plus b NAND gate கொடுத்தா what you will get, a plus b the whole bar. So this is what the algebraic expression of your NOR gate. Okay, so this is what the algebraic expression of your NOR gate. So have you understand? Up to now it's clear for you? Have you understood? Up to now it's clear for you? Yeah. Thanks for your response. Next one the XOR gate. Okay, so next one the XOR gate function using NAND gate. Okay, so NAND gate மூலமா எப்படி வந்து XOR gate ஓட function achieve பண்றதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? So hope you all know A and B are your student. Mute your mic. Dear students, mute your mics. XOR gate function using NAND gate. Okay, next heading on the XOR gate function using NAND gate. So we want to obtain this XOR function by using only NAND gate. Okay, so I think you all know this is what the symbol of XOR gate, and this is what the algebraic expression y equal to a exclusive or of b. Otherwise we can rewrite y equal to a b bar plus a bar b. So this is what the algebraic expression of your XOR gate. So now I am going to implement this expression, okay, by using only NAND gate. Okay, only NAND gate. So how we can obtain? Listen. So I am going to give my inputs A. Okay, first I am giving one input A to my NAND gate. Okay, next I am going to give another input, my input B to one NAND gate. Okay, first one NAND gate கொடுத்துட்டனா what I will get A bar, I mean B bar. So B வந்து டைரக்டா கொடுத்துறேன். ஓகேவா, A வந்து டைரக்டா கொடுத்துட்டு B வந்து I am giving to NAND gate, what I will get B bar. ஓகேவா, so next என்ன பண்றேன், இந்த A and B bar I am just giving to another one NAND gate. ஓகேவா, so what I will get A dot, ஓகேவா, A dot B bar the whole bar, because this is NAND gate. ஓகேவா, that's why you are getting output வந்து A dot B bar the whole bar. Actual A B bar. Okay, so A dot B bar. So due to this NAND gate, you will be getting another one bar. I mean common bar. A dot B bar the whole bar. Okay, fine. Next one I am giving B to NAND gate. You will get A bar. Sorry, A வந்து என்ன பண்றேன், I am giving to NAND gate. You will get A bar. Next one the B வந்து என்ன பண்றேன், I am giving to NAND gate. Okay, apply பண்றேன் A bar யும் B வந்து I am just applying into NAND gate. What I will get A bar dot B the whole bar. Okay, A bar dot B the whole bar. So these two values I am applying into the next NAND gate. Okay, so what I will get, y equal to A dot B the whole bar. So this one. Okay, next one the dot, because this is NAND gate, dot A bar B the whole bar. So this one. Okay, so A bar B the whole bar. So you will get another one bar, because I am giving to this NAND gate. Okay, so you will get another one common bar. Okay, another one common bar. So next, by using De Morgan's law, we can rewrite this expression as A B bar double bar. Okay, A B bar double bar plus A bar B double bar. A bar B double bar. Okay, we can rewrite by using De Morgan's law. So next, now what you will get, so there and double bar cancel. Okay, so these double bar will get cancelled. Okay, இது ரெண்டு cancel ஆயிரும். அதே மாதிரி இந்த double bar will get cancelled. Okay, so you will get A B bar plus A bar B, y equal to A B bar plus A bar B. So you will get this expression. Then expression, so nothing but your XOR. XOR y equal to A B bar plus A bar B. So the same thing you achieved here. So same thing you got. Okay, so only by using NAND gate. Okay, only by using NAND gate. So XOR oda expressions NAND gate மூலியமா achieve பண்ணனும் அப்படினா how many NAND gates you require? So 1 2 3 4 5. So at least minimum 5 NAND gates are required to obtain XOR logic function. Okay va, XOR oda logic function NAND gate மூலியமா only NAND gate மூலியமா achieve பண்ணனும் அப்படினா you require 5 NAND gates. Okay va, you require 5 NAND gates. Okay va, can you able to understand? It's clear for you? So reply through chat. Up to now it's clear for you? Yeah, thanks for your response. So next we are going to implement XNOR, another basic gate, XNOR gate function using NAND gate. Okay va, so NAND gate மூலியமா we are going to implement XOR gate. Okay va, so this is what the symbol of XNOR gate. A and B are your input. Okay va, A and B are your input. This is what the symbol of XNOR. Y is your output. Okay, so algebraic expression in XNOR odade y equal to XOR of the whole bar. Okay va, so this is what the algebraic expression of your XNOR. Okay va, so XOR ku inverse எடுத்தோம்னா XOR oda complement தான் வந்து XNOR. Okay va, I think you all know. Y equal to otherwise we can write y equal to a b bar plus a bar b the whole bar. Okay va, a b bar plus a bar b இது வந்து என்ன XOR ஓடது. அதுக்கு வந்து ஒரு காமனா ஹோல் பார் போட்டோம்னா that is the boolean expression, I mean that is the algebraic expression of your XNOR. Okay va, fine, so you all know these concepts. So now I am going to, I want to obtain this boolean, I mean algebraic expression by using only NAND gate. Okay, so NAND gate மட்டும் யூஸ் பண்ணி I want to achieve this XNOR expression. Okay, XNOR oda algebraic expression வந்து I want to achieve by only using NAND gate. Okay, fine. So I am giving A directly to the second NAND gate. B வந்து என்ன பண்றேன், I'm just giving to first NAND gate, I will get B bar. Okay va, so A and B வந்து என்ன பண்றேன், I'm giving to second NAND gate. So what I will get, A dot B bar the whole bar. So next என்ன பண்றேன், so B வந்து என்ன பண்றேன், I'm giving to NAND gate, so I will get A bar. So B வந்து என்ன பண்றேன், டைரக்டா வந்து I'm giving to the second NAND gate. Okay va, so what I will get, so I will get A bar. Okay va, A bar dot B. Okay va, so dot B the whole bar. Okay va, because this bar is because you are applying to NAND gate, that's why you are getting the common bar. Okay va, so next what I am doing, I am just applying these terms to next NAND gate. Okay va, so what I will get, you will get y equal to A dot B bar. Okay va, whole bar into I mean the output of this expression. Okay va, output of this expression, y equal to A dot B A dot B bar whole bar. Okay va, you are getting one bar due to this NAND gate, you are getting another one bar, no, the second bar because of this NAND gate. Okay va, because of this NAND gate. First common bar வந்து இந்த NAND gate. Okay va, இந்த NAND gate. Second common bar வந்து due to this another last NAND gate. Okay va, so what you will get, by using De Morgan's law we can rewrite. Okay va, we can rewrite A B bar double bar common bar plus A bar B double bar, you will get a common bar. Okay va, so next what you will get, these two common bars, I mean these two bars will get cancelled, double bar will get cancelled, so you will get A B bar plus A bar B. Okay va, in the common bar இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, so you will get this common bar. Okay va, so now we got the algebraic expression of NOR gate. NOR gate algebraic expression என்ன, y equal to A B bar plus A bar B the whole bar. the same thing we obtained by using only NAND gate. Okay, wow. So if you compare, okay, wow, if you compare XR and XNOR and compare பண்ணீங்கன்னா, so in the XR order section இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, XR order same diagram, okay, XR order same diagram, okay, wow. Finally வந்து if you add one more NAND gate, okay, wow, XR order same diagram la, if you add one more NAND gate, you can get the algebraic expression of XNOR, okay, wow. So XR order diagram liye, okay, wow, XR order diagram liye finally வந்து ஒரு NAND gate add பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get the logic of, I mean you will get the implementation of XNOR, okay வா, XNOR வந்து கிடைச்சிரும், okay வா. When you study you just compare, okay வா, நீங்க எக்ஸாமுக்கு படிக்கும்போது you just compare XNOR ஐயும் XOR ஐயும் compare பண்ணி படிச்சீங்கன்னா first you completed XOR, okay வா. XOR ஓட output sectionல if you add one more NAND gate, okay வா, you can get the implementation of XNOR gate function using NAND gate, okay va, fine. Dear students, up to now it's clear for you? Can you able to understand? Yeah, thanks for your response. So these are all very important. You will get questions from these topics, okay va. Unga internal test ke vande idhula irundhu ungalku questions varum, so please understand this concept. Memory ellaam panna mudiyadhu, so please keep in mind, okay va. So please understand. So take down this as a homework, okay va. So take down this as a homework. So all of you take down this one as your homework, okay va. So not AND, OR, NAND, XOR, XNOR gate functions using only NOR gate, okay va. Take down this one as a homework. So try to submit on Monday, okay va. So take down this as a homework and try to submit on Monday. So நான் என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன், இந்த கேட்ஸ் ஓட இம்ப்ளிமெண்டேஷன் எல்லாத்தையும் NAND கேட்டுக்கு நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிட்டேன், ஓகேவா. NAND கேட்டுக்கு I explained using NAND gate, ஓகேவா. சோ நான் என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன், NOR கேட்டுக்கு வந்து do it yourself, ஓகேவா. சோ நான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து NOR கேட்டுக்கு வந்து உங்களை ட்ரை பண்ண சொல்றேன். சோ NAND கேட்டுக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியாச்சு. சோ அத ரெஃபரன்ஸா வச்சு you try to implement the basic gates by using only NOR gate. So NAND கேட்டுக்கு நான் எப்படி எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணி பண்ணனும், அதே மாதிரி NOR கேட்டுக்கு you just try, ஓகேவா. refer your textbook or refer internet, ஓகேவா. refer பண்ணி you just complete and try to submit in the Google Classroom on Monday. So have you all noted your homework problem? Shall I go for the next topic? Dear students, have you all noted the homework problem? Yeah, thanks for your response. Okay, so take down the heading. So now we completed unit number 1. We are moving into unit number 2, okay wow. So we are moving into unit number 2. So unit number 2 enna, unit number 2, take down the heading unit number 2. Unit number 2 oda title வந்து combinational circuits. Take down the heading unit number 2, combinational circuits. So combinational circuits அப்படினா nothing but, okay va, when logic gates are connected together to produce a specific output for certain specific combination of input variables with no storage involved, okay va. The resulting circuit is called combinational circuit. So this is what the definition of combinational circuit, okay va. This is what the definition of combinational circuit, okay va. So I will explain, okay va, I will explain later, okay va. Just listen. In combinational logic circuits, the output variables are at all times depend on the combination of input variables. This is what very important. So this is what very important point, okay. Dear student, please note this point, okay wow. Please keep in mind, in combinational logic circuits, the output variables, okay wow, the output variables are at all times depend on the combination of input variables. Okay va? So outputs எல்லாமே வந்து inputs தான் depend பண்ணிருக்கும். Okay va? It will not depend any other variables. That is main concept of combinational logic circuits. So combinational logic circuits consist of input variables or combinational logic circuits. Okay va? அல்லது ஒரு combinational circuits அப்படின்னா what are all the things there அப்படின்னா input variables, please note down, input variables இருக்கும், logic gates இருக்கும், output variables இருக்கும். Okay va? A circuit consists of input variables, logic gates and output variables. Okay va? Then that circuit will be called a combinational circuit. And also the output depends only on the input variables. Okay va? In that case also it will be called a combinational circuit. Okay, see here in this diagram. Okay va? So you are having n number of inputs, say example a b. Okay va? You may have a b c. Okay va? So like that you will have up to n number of inputs. So this section is called the input variable section. So you are having maybe you have m number of outputs. Okay va? You are having m number of outputs. So in between, okay va? In between you will be having logic gates. Okay va? In between you will be having logic gates. It may be AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate. Okay va? So you have n number of gates. Okay va? So அப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா, so this diagram, this circuit will be called combinational circuit. Okay va? So இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா the logic circuit, okay va? The output வந்து output depends only on input. Okay va? Depends on only input. அப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா that is called combinational circuit. Okay va? Output depends only on input அப்படின்னா combinational circuit. அதே மாதிரி combinational circuitனா அந்த circuit consists of input variable, logic gates, okay va? Output variables. Okay va? That is called combinational circuits. So அப்ப நீங்க ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். Please keep in mind combinational circuits. Unit number 2 combinational circuits na first point வந்து combinational circuits la வந்து output variables will depend only on, I mean output will depend only on input variables. Okay va? Output will depend only on input variables. That is the first point. Please keep in mind. Another point வந்து combinational circuit அப்படின்னா combinational circuit consists of input variables and வந்து logic gates. Okay va? And then one the output variables. I think logic gates na you know. Okay, well, we studied logic gates, AND gate, OR gate, those things we studied. Okay, so have you all understood what is combinational circuit? Reply through chat. Have you all understood what is combinational circuit? Yes, students. Yes, thanks for your response. So combinational circuit for example சொன்னோம்னா we can say half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor. Okay va? So we can say n number of examples. ஒரு logic circuits. Okay va? ஒரு logic circuits la அந்த circuit la வந்து you are having input and you are having output. Okay va? So the circuits is made up of logic gates. Okay, AND gate, OR gate நால அந்த circuits வந்து construct பண்ணிருந்தாங்கன்னா okay va? Construct பண்ணிருக்கணும். Next வந்து output வந்து only depends on input. Okay va? No other parameter. Okay va? Inputs மட்டும் output வந்து depend பண்ணிருந்து அந்த circuit வந்து it consists of basic logic gates அப்படின்னா then that circuit will be called combinational circuit. Okay va? Example வந்து half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor. We can say n number of examples. Okay, maybe in 2 mark you will get question from what is combinational circuit, give example அப்படினு கேட்கலாம். Okay va? Give example அப்படினா you can say half adder, full adder. So these things will be comes under combinational circuit. So next design procedure. Okay va? So first வந்து problem definition. We want to read the problem. Okay va? Question la கொடுத்திருக்க ப்ராப்ளத்தை வந்து we want to read carefully. Problem definition. Next வந்து we want to check or we want to determine, okay va? Number of inputs and number of outputs. Okay va? So ப்ராப்ளத்துல வந்து எவ்வளவு inputs கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, எவ்வளவு outputs கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, okay va? அப்படிங்கறத we want to determine. Next வந்து என்ன பண்ணனும், we want to assign symbols. Okay va? We want to assign symbols to input and the output variables. I think we studied input variables என்ன பண்ணுவோம், we will say a b c. Okay va, we will be saying a and a b c are your input variables and capital Y is your output variable. Like that we will be assigning symbols. No, that's why that's the same thing they are mentioning here, assigning letter symbols to input and output variables. Next என்ன பண்ணனும்னா we want to go for truth table. Okay va, we want to go for the truth table for input output. Okay va, input output relationship க்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும், we want to draw the truth table. truth table போட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணுவோம், அதுல group பண்ணனும். group பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் we will be obtaining boolean expressions. Okay va, we will be obtaining simplified boolean expressions. Once வந்து boolean expressions achieve பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் we will be going for the implementation by using logic gates. Okay va, we will be using, so this is what the procedure of combination circuit. Okay va, so combination circuit என்ன பண்ணனும், first வந்து ப்ராப்ளத்தை கேர்ஃபுல்லா ரீட் பண்ணனும். நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து number of inputs and number of outputs வந்து நோட் பண்ணனும். ஓகேவா, third வந்து we want to assign symbols to input and output. ஓகேவா, fourth வந்து we want to draw the truth table. ஓகேவா, we want to draw the truth table. ஓகேவா, for input and output. next என்ன பண்ணனும், truth table போட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் next we want to go for k map. ஓகேவா, so k map போட்டு we want to go for grouping. Then we want to go for boolean expression. boolean expression கிடைச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணனும், I mean simplified boolean expression கிடைச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் we want to go for logic diagram implementations. ஓகேவா, so this is what the general procedure for your combinational circuits. ஓகேவா, so second unitல இருக்கிற combinational circuits எல்லா டாபிக்குக்கும் the same procedure. ஓகேவா, you want to repeat the same procedure. You want to read the problem, you want to determine number of inputs and outputs, and then you want to assign symbols to inputs and outputs. next என்ன பண்ணனும், you want to go for truth table. truth table போனதுக்கு அப்புறம் பண்ணனும், you want to go for k map. k map போனதுக்கு அப்புறம் you want to go for grouping. groupக்கு அப்புறம் you want to obtain boolean expressions. then you want to go for logic diagram. okay va, so this is what the design procedure of your combinational circuits. okay va. So have you all noted these points? Have you all noted these points? Reply through chat. Yeah, thanks for your response. So take down the topic. Okay va, so in your second unit design procedure complete பண்ணியாச்சு. This is what design procedure. It may be asked in 2 marks. okay va, it may be asked 2 marks. second unitல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா next week வந்து half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor அது எல்லாமே complete பண்ணியாச்சு lab classலயே. the same thing. okay va, so don't no need to repeat the same thing. okay va, so next topic வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா unit 2 ல வந்து take down parallel adder or parallel binary adder. take down the next topic, parallel adder or parallel binary adder. take down the next topic, parallel adder or parallel binary adder. okay, so consider this a and b are your inputs. okay va, so a is your 4-bit binary number. okay va, a ங்கிறது ஒரு 4-bit binary number, b ங்கிறது ஒரு 4-bit binary number. okay va, so a ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன, a ங்கிறது ஒரு 4-bit binary number. okay va, so 1 0 1 1, so this is what your a value. so b ஓட வேல்யூ ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் எடுத்துக்கங்க. okay va, this is one example to understand parallel adder. okay va, parallel binary adder. so b ஓட வேல்யூ வந்து 1 0 1 0. okay, I am considering b value as 1 0 1 0. so now I am going for addition of these two values. okay va, these two 4-bit values add பண்ண ஆகும் 1 0 add பண்ணா I will get 1. அடுத்து 1 1 add பண்ண என்ன ஆகும், I think you know 1 1 add பண்ண என்ன ஆகும், 1 plus 1 அப்படினா you will get 1 0, isn't it? you will get 1 0. so 1 0 ல வந்து you will get 1 0. so இதுல வந்து 0 ங்கிறது வந்து sum. 1ங்கிறது வந்து கேரி ஓகேவா சோ 1 ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா you will get 10 10ல வந்து 0 வந்து சம் கேரி வந்து 1 ஓகேவா சோ நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன 0 ஓட இந்த கேரி வந்து we want to add ஓகேவா ஆட் பண்ண ஆகும் you will get 1 நெக்ஸ்ட் 1 ஆட் பண்ணா again you will get 10 so 10ல வந்து 0 is your sum so carry வந்து you will get 1 as carry ஓகேவா so this is 4-bit number addition so நாம என்ன பண்ணலாம் இந்த பிட் வந்து நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ண தேவையில்லை ஓகேவா so I'm going to consider these 4 bits so this is what your result ஓகேவா this is what your result of 4-bit binary adder ஓகேவா so 1011 1010 add பண்ணா you will get 1010 ஓகேவா so இத வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம் we are going to implement the same concept by using parallel binary adder ஓகேவா so in general ஓகேவா இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து in general எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா instead of 1011 அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு பதிலா A0 A1 A2 A3 ஓகேவா these are all the first 4-bit number ஓகேவா so B வந்து எப்படி எழுதலாம் in general B0 B1 B2 B3 ஓகேவா this is my second 4-bit binary number C0 C1 C2 C3 ல என்ன carry ஓகேவா 4-bit carry S0 S1 S2 S3 ல என்ன my sum 4-bit sum ஓகேவா S4 அப்படிங்கிறது carry ஓகேவா லாஸ்ட் கேரி S4ங்கிறது லாஸ்ட் கேரி ஓகேவா சோ இது வந்து a simple example இது வந்து general form ஓகேவா சோ ஜெனரலா வந்து ஒரு 4-bit நம்பரை வந்து ஒரு 4-bit பைனரி நம்பரை வந்து A0 A1 A2 A3 ன்னு நம்ம வந்து ரைட் பண்ணலாம் அதே மாதிரி B0 B1 B2 B3 ன்னு நம்ம கேரி ஓகேவா பிரசன்ட் பண்ணலாம் கேரி வந்து C0 C1 C2 C3 எல்லாம் கேரிவா S0 S1 S2 S3 எல்லாம் S3 வந்து சம் ஓகேவா சம் ஆஃப் யுவர் 4-bit பைனரி ஆடர் ஓகேவா இந்த C4ங்கிறது வந்து எக்ஸஸா வருது அது C3 சம்மோட வர எக்ஸஸ் கேரி வந்து C4 S3 ஓட சம்ல இருந்து வர கேரி வந்து C4 ஓகேவா ஓகே ஃபைன் if you want to implement the same thing in real time or hardware you need 4 full adders because so in the 3 bits add பண்றதுக்கு you need one full adder isn't it இந்த 3 bits implement பண்றதுக்கு you need another one full adder so இந்த 3 bits ஓகேவா implement பண்றதுக்கு add பண்றதுக்கு you need another one full adder so இந்த 3 bits add பண்றதுக்கு you need another one full adder isn't it so அப்ப வந்து ஒரு 4-bit parallel adder ஓகேவா அது ஒரு 4-bit additions வந்து 4-bit numbers வந்து ஆட் பண்ணனும் two different 4-bit numbers வந்து ஆட் பண்ணனும் அப்படினா you need 4 full adders you need 4 full adders ஏனா full adders போனா தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும் we can include carry இதே half adder போனா என்ன பண்ண முடியாது we cannot include carry isn't it we can add only 2 bits ஓகேவா we cannot include carry bit that's why I'm going for full adder ஓகேவா so அப்ப வந்து please keep in mind two different 4-bit numbers வந்து add பண்ணனும் அப்படினா you need 4 full adders ஓகேவா you need 4 full adders so this is what the implementation of 4-bit binary adder so அப்ப என்ன listen same thing ஓகேவா இங்க இருக்கிற இங்க நான் எழுதி இருக்கிறேன் அதே தான் டயகிராமா டிரா பண்ணிருக்கேன் so A0 B0 is your input ஓகேவா to first full adder C0 ஓகேவா A0 B0 C0 C0 ன்னு சொல்லலாம் அது Cin ன்னு சொல்லலாம் ஓகேவா same thing so this thing will be given to my first full adder FA0 னா first full adder so இதோட அவுட்புட் என்ன S0 ஓகேவா so இதுல இருந்து first full adderல இருந்து வர அவுட்புட் வந்து first full adderோட sum வந்து 0 carry வந்து C1 so this carry will be given to the next stage ஓகேவா this carry will be given to next stage so next stage order inputs in B1 A1 C1 this will be given to the next full adder so next full adder oda output வந்து என்ன sum and carry ஓகேவா sum வந்து S1 carry வந்து C2 ஓகேவா so next third stage third full adder oda inputs என்ன B2 A2 and C2 ஓகேவா இதோட outputs வந்து S2 and carry வந்து C3 so for C3 and C3 will be applied to the input to the next full adder fourth stage fourth stage la vandu A3 B3 C3 this will be your input output vandu S3 okay va sum 3 and C4 ங்கிறது வந்து carry so இங்க வந்து 1 கிடைக்குது பாத்தீங்களா இந்த 1 வந்து இந்த இடத்துல வரும் ஓகேவா C4 actually வந்து C4 இந்த 1 ங்கிறது nothing but C4 ஓகேவா so in real time if you want to add 4 bit okay but different if you want to add 2 different 4 bits like okay va இந்த மாதிரி வந்து 2 different 4 bits add பண்ணனும் அப்படினா in real time okay in real time you want to go for this kind of parallel adder okay va you need 4 full adders you want to connect in cascade form okay va then only you can get the result of 0 1 0 1 and also you will be getting another one carry 1 okay va finally வந்து C4 ல 1 கிடைக்கும் okay va so this is what the implementation of 4 bit binary adder okay so 4 bit binary adder na you want to keep in mind so 4 bit binary adder na you want to put 4 full adders okay va 4 full adders பண்ணனும் எல்லாத்தையும் வந்து cascade connect பண்ணனும் okay va first full adder ஓட carry வந்து அடுத்த full adderக்கு வந்து input ஆ போகும் I mean C1 வந்து second stage input ஆ போகும் C2 வந்து third stage input ஆ போகும் C3 வந்து fourth stage க்கு input ஆ போகும் ஓகேவா C4 வந்து அடுத்த stage க்கு input ஆ போகும் ஓகேவா so this is 4 bit binary adderனால I am stopping here ஓகேவா otherwise you want to continue இதே வந்து 8 bit binary adderனா you want to put 8 full adders இதே வந்து 10 bit binary adderனா you want to put 10 full adders in cascade form okay va so here A0 B0 like that you will be having different inputs and S0 S1 like that you will be having outputs of your sum okay so this is what the implementation of 4 bit binary adder so this is only theory part in the problem varadu okay va so they will be asking 4 marks or 8 marks 6 marks la they will be asking questions like design 4 bit parallel adder or 4 bit binary parallel adder and explain in detail அப்படினு கேட்கலாம் ஓகே அப்ப என்ன பண்ணனும் சோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்துட்டு இந்த டயகிராம் டிரா பண்ணிட்டு you want to explain the diagram வந்து இப்ப நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண மாதிரி you want to explain ஓகேவா fine so next வந்து binary subtractor then BCD adder வந்து நம்ம அடுத்த கிளாஸ் வந்து கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம் ஓகேவா okay fine I think we come to end of today's class how was today's class give your feedback how was today's class give your feedback yeah thanks for the response also yeah thanks also I uploaded one assignment to your Google Classroom okay wow try to solve I gave 5 problems okay wow so try to solve all the 5 problems so if you solve these 5 problems it will be helpful for your internal test because the similar problems I asked in your internal okay wow so அதனால வந்து அசைன்மென்ட்ல கொடுத்திருக்கிற 5 problems solve பண்ணுங்க the similar problems okay wow assignmentல இருக்கிற மாதிரியான similar problems தான் நான் எக்ஸாம்ல கேட்டிருக்கேன் okay wow so if you complete assignment then it will be very easy to solve the problems in your CAA 1 okay wow நீங்க ஈஸியா என்ன பண்ணிடலாம் CAA 1ல இருக்கிற ப்ராப்ளம் எல்லாமே சால்வ் பண்ணிடலாம் okay wow okay fine so thanks for joining so remaining we will continue the next class you can leave now